once again to Trans Mother and Child Hair Care series. So today we'll be looking at how to apply rice water on your hair for faster hair growth. Stay tuned. As you all know, rice water treatment has been trending since last year up to this year. Rice water treatment for faster hair growth. And if you look at our Instagram page, you see that we did like 7 days and 14 days challenge to see whether this actually worked. And guess what? It worked. I grew 1 inch in a week. 1 inch in a week. You can go ahead and look at the description box to see the challenge results and how to make rice water. Rice water contains a lot of vitamins that is very good for our hair, that it makes our hair to grow, because for your hair to grow you need nutrients that will be supplied to it that will increase its growth rate. Normally the hair grows at 0.5 inches per month max, but with rice water you can boost up that growth rate to 1 inch in a week, and I will show you how I did that. So do stay tuned. Note that if you don't use rice water appropriately, you will not achieve your desired result, and there's how you are going to use it that it will boost up your growth. There's how you are going to use it that will boost up your growth rate. Stay tuned. So you put your rice water in a spray bottle and you shake it a little to let the particles come up. Then you just divide your hair into sections, small sections, and apply the rice water. Spray it from the roots to the tips, both back and front, to totally saturate your hair with the rice water. Now you will notice that the rice water is not dripping wet on my hair. Now the type of spray bottle I'm using is like a body spray bottle. So the spray bottle allows you to spray the water without it dripping on your hair. Next, you apply a little bit of oil and to seal in that rice water moisture. And when you're done, you pack your hair back into a ponytail and cover with a satin bonnet and go to sleep at night. So for the second method, I'm using it as a hair rinse, and I have my fermented rice water here, and I'm just pouring it over my hair in sections, and I make sure the hair is dripping wet, unlike the leave-in method. So you totally saturate your hair with rice water. If you have low porosity hair, you can warm up the water a bit and pour it on your hair. Or sometimes I don't do that. Wow, is that rice on my hair? Oh my god. So the next is that you cover it with a nylon bag or your shower cap, and go ahead to cover it again with a towel. This towel allows it not to drip on my face, and that's all. You're done, and you leave it for 1 hour. Take off your nylon bag and rinse out the rice water. The first method, I just do it for 7 days in a month. That means I apply the rice water every day on my hair. I usually do it before I sleep and just wear that satin bonnet and sleep, and in the morning it's done. My hair is moisturized, and I noticed that the middle of my hair is still wet, like moist in the morning. So in the morning I can just air dry it a bit and put it back into a bun. So the second one, the hair rinse, I just do that one twice. Shh, can you stop making noise? Do the hair rinse just twice in a month, and I have low porosity hair, so I really watch what I put, the rice water, the level of rice water I put in my hair, because rice water is considered to be a protein treatment, and so you should be careful if you are protein sensitive. And it doesn't really affect my hair like that, though I noticed that if I use it for like more than 7 days, it kind of makes my hair harder. Kind of, yes, I think guess because it's low porosity hair. All for today's video. Achieve 1 inch in a week with just rice water. Remember, too much of everything is bad, so try and do it moderately so that your hair would not end up breaking as you are trying to boost its growth rate. Do stay tuned, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep seeing more episodes of our Trans Mother and Child Hair Care series. See you in our next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.